is done, and after that we started initializing the first project, and that process is also done. And now it is asking me, do you want to speak to the trained assistant on the command line? So if you wish to speak to the chatbot, then you can type yes. So I will do that. And soon the conversation will start here in the command prompt. Okay. So you can see the conversation started here. And first of all, I have to give my input. So I can say hello. So the chatbot replies, "Hey, how are you?" So I'll say, "I'm fine." And it says, "Great, carry on." Let me say bye to the chatbot. Yeah, it says bye. Okay, so just a very, very basic conversation where where I just initiate the conversation with a hello, and chatbot replies, "Hey, how are you?" I say, "I'm fine." It says, "Great, carry on." I say bye, and the chatbot also says bye. And if you want to stop this conversation, then you have to type this command slash forward slash stop, and you will be out of the conversation. So, guys, we have initialized our first project, and we have also done a basic chat with the chatbot. Okay, now we will modify the chatbot as per the business requirement. Okay, so we'll do that in the next video.